Welcome to the channel. This is Chris from Offroad Nation 606. So just recently painted the XJ with the Raptor liner, and I think it turned out really good. But now that that's done, now we need to go ahead and put everything back together. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, now that everything's back together, here is the new look of the Jeep. So I really like the way the armor looks on it, especially with the black. I like how the Allen head bolts, I like how they stick out. But I definitely really like the armor. Now I was going to show this Jeep a little bit cleaner, but I did go up on the trail a little bit to make this video. I really like the way the hood scoop turned out. I think that even gives it a better look, and that will help too where I got the Hemi in there. That'll help get some of that heat out. Now one thing I will say, it does look kind of bare on the roof because the roof rack is off of it. But I got something coming pretty soon that's going to take care of that, and I'll be able to mount my light bar back on top. I am going to get a hybrid roll cage from Exofab. Be getting that next because this Jeep definitely needs some kind of roll cage. So I'm sure you want to know what's next for the Jeep. So like I said a minute ago, I'm gonna be getting the roll cage in it. There's a few things I need to do. I am gonna put an axle truss on the rear, just never have got to that yet. but I am going to do that pretty soon. And I'm getting ready to mount some racing seats in. That way I can put the harnesses on. There's a few things left I do want to do. I am going to be bringing this to the Great Smoky Mountain Jeep Invasion this year. I'm looking forward to that. I've been the past 3 years and I've always wanted to bring the Jeep, and they actually have a Cherokee and the Comanche meetup, so I'm definitely looking forward to that also. But I am putting this in the show and shine, so if you want to see this Jeep in person, come on out and see it. So another thing for sure that I definitely do need to do is I'm getting ready to change these steering arms out, because these factory ones ain't gonna cut it, and they are in pretty rough shape anyway. So I am going to replace the drag link and tie rod, and I'm gonna get the kit from Barnes 4-wheel drive. And while I'm doing that, I'm probably going to take the steering box off there and tap it for hydro assist, because this Jeep really needs hydro assist pretty bad. You can definitely tell it, especially with the 38.5s. It definitely does need a little extra boost for steering. And then after I get the cage in, I am going to paint the floorboard with the Raptor liner. And I'm kind of thinking about changing this gauge cluster out and just putting some regular gauges in. That way I know everything is accurate. I'm having a couple problems with the instrument cluster that's in it now, where it come out of the Grand Cherokee. A couple things not working right, and I don't think it will, the way the CAN bus system is. I think the roll cage will definitely give a better look. I'll be able to mount my light bar. I did buy a 50-inch curved light bar. I actually bought it off of Matt from Bleepin' Jeep. He had one for sale at Jeep Invasion last year, so I picked it up. I am kind of thinking I'd really like to do some tube doors. I know a lot of people's against it. They say it makes the body fold and all this and that. You hear all kinds of things. But I do have frame stiffeners, and I really don't see it doing much with the doors off. I could be wrong, but all it is you got 2 hinges and a door striker, and I don't really see that being a whole lot of structure. I have ran another Jeep with no doors for quite a while before, and doors went back on fine. Have took it on the hills too. But I just wanted to show you the Jeep, everything put back together, how everything looks. So I believe that's going to do it for this video. If you want to see some more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Definitely helps out a lot. And thanks for watching.
Mud pancakes pumping, Jeep Cherokees roaring, Boggers to the earth, nature's canvas now torn. Hemi heart pumping, pistons flex like a champ, sketching trails in the dirt with a beastly stamp. Trailblaze in the dirt's my dance floor, Cherokee stomping, leaves begging for no more. Hemi throttle scream, the king of the dirt wars. Offroad titan, we knock down nature's doors. Roots get split, tires treat them like yarn. Hill climb roulette, brush crackles get charmed. Engine note a sermon, hear the gospel and thumps. Body armor kissed by trees, gravelly lumps. Apocalypse moves, every turn's a quake. Soil baptized beneath monstrous mistake. Muddy baptism, rivers can't compete. Cherokee holy, turning rough into sleek. Knuckles flex above the earth's wrinkled brows. Hemi symphony sings, air carries vows. Dirt is the arena, sky cheers and bows. Terrain whispers tales of the beast who plows. Trailblazing the dirt spot dance floor. Cherokee stomping, leaves begging for no more. Heavy throttle scream, the king of the dirt wars. Off-road titan, we knock down nature's doors. Off-road titan, we knock down nature's doors. Bringing the XJ to Jeep invasion, then hitting the trails and slinging some mud. Here comes Chris from Off-Road Nation. Off-Road Nation for life. No Jeep is like a Cherokee. There is something about them that's like no other Jeep. 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 Got the Raptor liner paint, rock sliders, boogers and beadlocks. Hemi Swap Cherokee, 12,000 pound winch. Volcano